Guys, Katrina Velarde singing Ain't No Way by Aretha Franklin, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm excited to watch this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Pasabog agad. Detail. Detalyado siya, grabe. Here we go. Bagong opera pa to, ah. Take note. Grabe yung notes. Nag-key change. Oh my gosh, freak! Vocal supreme talaga. She's just playing around. Look. Wala lang sa kanya. Love the gown, by the way, Katrina. Yodeling right there. Good job. Flippings. Ang galing niya mag-flip, vocal flip dito. Beautiful. Grabe. Detalye plus yung range. Power. Oy, sira ulo. Grabe, no? Umaapaw yung talent, tapos komedyante pa. Talagang pinagpala si Katrina. And it's just amazing how she rendered this song beautifully. And I can only count with my fingers kung ilang mga Pilipino lang kumanta ng song na to. Napakahirap ng song na to. Pero dahil nga vocal supreme, Katrina Velarde, talagang parang wala lang sa kanya to, guys. So great job, Katrina. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of you. And congrats again for your successful concert.